Today, we're tackling a topic that we've all faced at some point: how to stop diarrhea in adults fast. Whether it's caused by something you ate or a pesky stomach bug, I've got you covered with some effective natural solutions. Welcome back to my channel. I am Stacy Paulson, natural wellness advocate and essential oils educator. I help people just like you discover natural solutions that are safe, effective, and affordable. So hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification so that you know each time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Number one, let's talk diarrhea diet. When it comes to stopping diarrhea in its tracks, one of the first things to consider is our diet. Opt for the BRAT diet. That's bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast. These foods are gentle on the stomach and can help to firm up those loose stools. You might be wondering, besides those, what to eat with diarrhea? When you're dealing with diarrhea, it's essential to choose your foods wisely. Avoid dairy, spicy foods, and high fiber foods as they can irritate the digestive system. So stick to those bland, easily digestible foods like plain rice, boiled potatoes, and well-cooked chicken. Apple cider vinegar for diarrhea is also a great idea. Another kitchen remedy worth trying is apple cider vinegar. So you just mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and then you drink it before meals. The acidity in the vinegar can actually help regulate the pH levels in your stomach and promote healthy digestive environment. So if you have challenges with diarrhea frequently, this is something that you might want to do on a daily basis for prevention. Number two, other home remedies for upset stomach and diarrhea. Now let's talk about some home remedies for upset stomach and diarrhea. One of the most effective remedies is ginger or peppermint tea. Ginger and peppermint have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the digestive system. So simply steep some fresh ginger slices in hot water and sip on that throughout the day. Or have some tea bags on hand to be prepared for when these things come up. Now let's talk about a watery diarrhea treatment. So if you're dealing with watery diarrhea, staying hydrated is crucial. Drink plenty of fluids such as water, clear broths, and electrolytes. These help to replace the fluids and electrolytes that are lost during those bouts of diarrhea and help prevent dehydration. So I recommend using mineral salts in your water daily for prevention, because it's not just about drinking water, but also having the minerals available so the water gets utilized appropriately. And did you know that it's estimated that 70 to 80% of people are deficient in minerals? And if you're experiencing diarrhea, you're 99% to 100% assured you're depleted. So I love putting high quality mineral salts in my water, about a half a teaspoon for 40 ounces of water. And then I like to squeeze a little bit of lemon in there. And I also love putting essential oils in there as well. Before I share my final recommendation for you on how to stop diarrhea in adults fast, please make sure to check out all the natural solution resources that I've listed in the description, because I know more than diarrhea comes up for most people. So number three, essential oils for diarrhea. Now let's explore a unique solution: essential oils. Peppermint oil is known for its ability to calm the digestive system. So this solution has worked for us 100% of the time for our family with 6 kids, and I have been using this remedy since 2010. We mix a few drops with a carrier oil and then we'll just massage it onto our stomach. And the menthol in peppermint can help alleviate stomach cramps and reduce the frequency of bowel movements. But you need to make sure the peppermint essential oil brand that you're using is pure and potent, or else it won't work. And don't be fooled, even though those grocery store brands or Amazon brands say 100% pure, 80 to 90% of essential oils are adulterated, fake, synthetic, or diluted. So you can learn more about how to tell if an essential oil is pure and potent in my next video. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to stop diarrhea fast in adults using a diarrhea diet, home remedies, and even essential oils like peppermint. Remember, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's crucial to consult with a professional. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with someone who might need these tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.